Hey, you. Yeah, you. It's time. Time to stop doubting yourself. Time to stop replaying old failures and listening to the voice that says you're not enough. Because I'm here to tell you something important. It's time to believe in yourself again. I know life hasn't been easy. You've been through things you never expected. You've carried more than your fair share. And somewhere along the way, you stopped trusting yourself. You stopped seeing the strength in your own reflection. But the truth is, you're still standing. You've made it through 100% of your worst days. That alone means you're powerful beyond what you give yourself credit for. You don't have to have it all figured out. You don't need every answer, every plan, every perfect step. What you need is belief. Belief that you can try again. That falling didn't mean failing. That dreams delayed don't mean dreams denied. You've been waiting for a sign. This is it. This is your moment to rise again. To look in the mirror and say, I believe in you. Because deep down, you still have fire in your soul. You still have untapped potential, unspoken words, and unfinished chapters. It's time to stop shrinking for fear of failure. It's time to stop apologizing for wanting more. The world needs your light, not the watered down version of you, not the version that plays small to stay safe. The real you, the brave you, the you that dreams boldly and walks forward even when the path is unclear. So breathe in, hold your head high, and take that first step no matter how small. Because today isn't just another day. Today is the day you believe in yourself again. You've got what it takes. You always have. Now it's time to own it.